Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today I have an awesome sandwich idea. You guys are going to want to try this out. We're going to start with a biscuit. This is the southern style, not the flaky type. And the first thing we have to do is get this pounded down or rolled out. You can use a rolling pin and you can stretch it with your hands until we get a nice shape we want. We want this to be pretty thin. Now I've got this to a size I want, so we're going to cut it in half. So now we have our top and bottom piece of bread. And I'm going to put my seasonings on first. We have just an Italian seasoning and some mustard and Miracle Whip. Now we can finish assembling our sandwich. Put my couple pieces of turkey on here. Throw the cheese in the middle. Perfect timing. Have your oven heated up to 350. And then we are going to throw these in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. It can take anywhere from like 17 to 20 minutes. Once you have a nice golden color on both top and bottom, you take them out. So now we'll just get our bread and toppings. There we go. Throw it on our pan and get it in the oven. I like to put some butter on the top when it's about halfway done cooking. This will give it more flavor and a nice browner crust. After we take it out, this is what we end up with. And it's a really nice toasted biscuit sandwich. Get a little closer look and cut it open too. Alright guys, give this a try. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see y'all later.